Hi guys, Arfat is here and you watch Tech and Tricks. So today is my tutorial how to create a YouTube channel and how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020 and 2021. And I will take a complete series on the YouTube, how to create a YouTube channel and how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020 or 21. It is a complete series. If you are your thing and how to create a YouTube channel and how to grow your YouTube channel, I will take a complete series on the YouTube. A to Z, how to create a YouTube channel and how to make a thumbnail YouTube videos and how to edit the video and how to rank the videos on the YouTube and how to SEO the YouTube videos. And it is a complete series of the YouTube, and you are the enjoying this series and you're on if not a channel today, and this series is helpful for you because I am a complete series on the YouTube video editing, SEO and creating a thumbnail and YouTube all settings etc, and you will enjoy. And it is my complete series. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I will make first video how to create a Gmail account is my first video. This video is introduce how to grow and how to create a YouTube channel, and it's complete series. And you next watch my videos and starting this course and subscribe my channel, and tata.